Good afternoon, students. Today we are going to learn about areas and its boundary. You can all take your book to page number 146 in your textbook. Page number 146 in your textbook. Whose slice is bigger? So there is Parth and Ginny went to a shop to buy the am puppet. Am puppet is nothing but dried mango slice. Okay, both of them bought the am puppet, but the am puppet was different in size. Both has bought different sizes. Both could not make out whose piece was bigger. So both was accountable to judge which piece will be bigger. So they find out some other ways to find out whose piece will be bigger. So what they did, the length of piece A is 6 centimeter. So what they did, with the 6 squares of side 1 centimeter, they placed the square on that piece. Next, the width of piece A is 5 centimeter. With the same 5 squares with 1 centimeter, they have placed in the width places. Okay. Similarly, they have covered the whole spaces. So altogether there are 30 squares. Here it is 6. Here it is 6. Here it is 5. So if you multiply 6 into 5 is 30. So 30 square centimeter was placed in this piece A. Similarly, you have to find out for piece B. So with the length of the piece B is how much? 11. So with square of side 1 centimeter, you have to place 11 squares on the length. Next, what is the width of that piece? It is 3 centimeters. So with the square of side 1 centimeter, you have to place 3 squares on the width. So if you place, you will get how much you will get? So it is 11 into 3 is 33. So the piece A is 30, piece B is 33. So which piece will be bigger? Area of piece A is 30, area of piece B is 33. So which piece will be bigger? 33 will be bigger. So comparatively to piece A, it is 3 centimeter square is more when compared to the piece A. Okay children. Next, cover with stamps. There is a stamp. The stamp area is 4 square centimeter. Guess how many such stamp will cover a big rectangle. So to cover a big rectangle, how many stamps can be placed over? Okay. So the area of the stamp is 4 centimeter. So we have to find out, below that they have given the question, measure the yellow rectangle, it is dash centimeter long. So you have to find out how many centimeter long it is. Okay, so if you measure, you will get 14 centimeter. It is 14 centimeter long. Next, how many stamps can be placed along its length? So how many stamps can be placed? You can place 7 stamps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So along the length you can place 7 stamps. How wide is the rectangle? So what is the wide of the rectangle? Is 8 centimeter. So how many stamps can be placed? You can place 4 stamps. Okay. So totally altogether how many stamps? The length is 7 and the wide is, width is 4. So 7 4s are 28. So 28 stamps can be placed along over the rectangle. How close was your earlier guess? It was pretty close. Okay. What is the area of the rectangle? How you will find the area of the rectangle is equal to, what is the area of the rectangle formula? L into length into breadth. Okay. So L into B. L is 7 and the breadth is 4. It is 28 centimeter square. Okay children. Next, how is the perimeter of the rectangle? So what is the perimeter of the rectangle? What is perimeter? Area means the space inside the figure. Space inside the region inside the figure. So this is area. This is called area. What is perimeter? Perimeter is the boundary, length of the boundary. Okay. So you have to measure. Here it is. So how you will calculate? So the length of the rectangle is 14. Breadth of the rectangle is 8. So a rectangle has 2 lengths and 2 breadths. Okay. So we can take perimeter of the rectangle as, so there is a formula 2 into L plus B. Okay. So 2 into length is 14 plus breadth is 8. So 2 into this 22. 2 into 22 is 44 centimeter. Okay children. Next. If you have any doubt, you can ask in the meet class. Thank you children.